Welcome to Math with Mrs. Cox. We are on Chapter 11, Lesson 12, page 871 in your math book. And today we're going to be talking about mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter an object has. And again, we're going to be using our King Henry died merrily drinking chocolate milk. So what they want us to do here, example 1, a white-tailed deer has the mass of 136 kilograms. What is the mass of the deer in grams? So, King Henry died merrily drinking chocolate milk. So we are measuring in, we're actually going to turn that to a G because we're in grams. We're going from kilograms and we need to go to grams. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3 spots and remove the decimal right 3 spots. So we have 136, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Our answer is going to be 136,000 grams. Now, they also wanted you to know that since a kilogram also equals 1,000 grams, we can just multiply 36 by 1,000. So, strategy 1, King Henry. Strategy 2 is knowing all of these fun increments so you can just convert them in your head. We can also use division to check our answer by putting 136,000 divided by 1,000, which means we take off those zeros, would equal 136. Okay, this is a great reminder. Feel free to take a screenshot. Please understand that a gram is 1,000 milligrams. And a kilogram is 1,000 grams. So a milligram is a couple of crumbs of bread. A gram is about the size of a paper clip. And a kilogram, well, that's about the mass of a loaf of bread. So hopefully that'll help you remember your increments. Example 2, we're going to convert 1,500 grams to kilograms. Since you are converting a smaller unit to a larger unit, divide. So fly to horse, divide, of course. Helps if I spell it right. Divide, of course. Or, so that you're going to divide 15 by 1,000. And that'll go into it one time with a remainder of 500. Maybe 1,000 and 500. So the remainder is 500 grams, which means there are 500 grams left over. The decimal part of 5 is 0.5. So 1,500 grams equals 1 kilogram and 500 grams. Or 1.5. Now that seems a little complicated. Personally, I would have just liked to have gone Henry died grumpily drinking chocolate milk. So we're going from grams to kilograms. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 spots we're going to go there. So we have 15,000. 1, 2, 3. Personally, that just seems a lot easier to me, but they do want me to teach you that you can do the division and converting that way. All right, guided practice. Here we go. We're going to do 5,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. And we know that 1,000 equals a gram. So that's why we're dividing by 1,000. So easy with the rule of zeros, you can just take those zeros off. So 5 divided by 1 is 5. So 5,000 milligrams equals 5 grams. So I guess in that instance, using the division, the conversion would be easier. Just to prove that it's the same one, we're going to have King Henry died grumpily drinking chocolate milk. We're converting milligrams to grams. 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So yes, our answer would be 5. So you decide your strategy, King Henry died merrily, or just converting it. Number 2, We have 5 kilogram equals grams. Well, there is 1,000 grams in each kilogram, so 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. So 5 kilograms equals, well, 5,000 grams. 4,000 grams into a kilogram. There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, so 4,000 divided by 1,000. 4 divided by 1 is 4, so 4,000 grams equals 4 kilograms. Number 4, grams into milligrams. There are 1,000 milligrams in a gram, so you take 9 times 1,000, and that equals 9,000. Number 5, we have milligrams into grams. And here I'm going to go, King Henry died merrily, grumpily, drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so you can either do the conversion or the King Henry. You decide what's easier. I'm going to do milligrams to grams, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 2. Or I could have just done 2,000 divided by 1,000. That would have equaled the same amount. Okay, number 6. We have 80 grams into 2 milligrams. So I know that every gram has 1,000. So we're going to do 80 times 1,000. Well, I know 8 times 1 is 8, and I'm just going to add the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80,000 milligrams. All right, number 7, choose your strategy. King Henry died grumpily drinking chocolate milk, or just converting it over. I know that we're going to do this. Let's try the King Henrys. We have milligrams and kilograms. Whoa, cleared the other end. So we're going from kilograms to milligrams. We're going right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0.75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, placeholder zeros. So our answer is going to be 750,000 milligrams. Alrighty, number 8. Got to erase my work here. Number 8, we got kilograms, 2 grams. Kilograms, 2 grams. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3. Put placeholder zeros there. So we have 6,000. 6,000 grams. Number 9, we have 3,100 grams, 2 kilograms. So again, using our King Henry. Whoops. So we have grams to kilograms. Grams to kilograms. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 3.1 grams. Okay, now we have kilograms to milligrams. Kilograms to milligrams. Ooh, we're going clear across the board for this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 0.05. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have placeholders there. Now, we really don't need these ones because they're not very important because they just kind of don't mean anything. So then we can just say our answer is 50,000 because that's what's left over, 50,000 milligrams. This is our decimal right there. Okay, let's do the next one. I'm going to erase my little work here. We have grams to milligrams. So grams to milligrams. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Add a placeholder 0 there. So we have 4,000. 870 milligrams. Little comma right there. All right, kilograms to grams. We're going to go kilograms to grams. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 9,000. Okay, now we need to compare. Now, the best way to do this is to convert them to the smallest unit. Then it's easier to compare because smaller units are more precise. So we have 23,000 milligrams or 2 grams. Okay, so I'm going to write another King Henry dies grumpily drinking. So I'm going to do that as a baby D. Drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so I have milligrams to grams. 1, 2, 3 spots over. So I have 2, and I am going to go 3 spots over. 1, 2, 3. Well, my goodness, if that's the comparison. I did that wrong. Haha. Take 2. Good heavens, Mrs. Cox. Okay. Okay, take 2. Okay, number 13, we have 2,300 milligrams, 2 grams. So we have our King Henry dies grumpily drinking chocolate milk over here, and we're going to convert grams to milligrams. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we have 2, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3 grams. So you can obviously see which one is bigger when you do it that way. Okay, number 14, we're going to also convert. We have kilograms and grams. So we have kilograms and grams. Grams is smaller, so let's convert the 3 to grams, the 3 kilograms. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So if I have a 3 and I go over 1, 2, 3 decimal spots, add placeholder zeros, I see that I'm going to have 3,000 grams compared to 3,000 grams. And we can see that that is equal. This is a G, by the way. Number 15, we have 4.5 kilograms compared to 4,050 grams. Again, we're going from kilograms to grams, so 1, 2, 3. So we're going to compare this one. 1, 2, 3. Number 15, we're going to see that, and I like to sometimes stack them if you're confused. Can definitely see they both have a 4, but this one has a 5, so that one is going to be greater than. Number 16, we have 4,120 milligrams to grams. So we have milligrams and grams. Let's convert them both to milligrams because that's the smallest. So I have 1, 2, 3 spaces, 4.12, 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I have 4.12 and 4.12 milligrams. So I'm going to say that they are equal. Okay, number 17. Get my little eraser guy going on here. We have grams and milligrams. Again, grams and milligrams. Milligrams is the smallest, so it's convertible to the smallest. 1, 2, 3. We have 75, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we have 75,000 milligrams, and that is definitely bigger than 800 milligrams. Okay, number 18. 814 grams versus 8.14 kilograms. So again, we have grams and kilograms. So grams is definitely the smallest. So 1, 2, 3 spots for the kilograms. 1, 2, 3. At a placeholder 0. We'll have 8,140 grams. And you can see that 8,140 grams is bigger than 814 grams. So there's our proof. Woof. Okay, show your work, please. Okay, we're actually going to skip this page and go right to your homework. Happy days, right? Okay, complete just what we've been doing this whole lesson. You are converting. Go ahead and do your King Henry died grumpily drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so we have milligrams to grams. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3 spots. So 3 spots from the very end. Here's my decimal. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. My decimal point is going to be right behind the 7. So then 700 milligrams is 7 grams. Or you could also go 7,000 milligrams is 7 grams. You could also go 7,000 divided by 1,000 because there's 1,000 grams in 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. Wow, I'm struggling. There we go. That's what your answer would be. 2 different strategies. Okay, number 2, we have kilograms to grams. So we have kilograms to grams. Gram is definitely a smaller unit, so let's convert this one to grams. 1, 2, 3. So 4.7, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's what we're converting it to grams anyway. We're not comparing. Silly Mrs. Cox. So our answer is going to be 4,700 grams. Okay, we have, I've got to show my cute little acronym there. We have grams right here, and we need to go to kilograms. We're going to go left, 1, 2, 3. Left, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 18.5 grams. Okay, now we have 8.3 kilograms, 2 grams. We're going to go right, 1, 2, 3. 8.3 and go right 1, 2, 3 is going to be 8,300 grams. Do my little King Henry down here. Grumpily. So we have 22 grams, 2 milligrams. So we're going to go right 1, 2, 3. 22. 1, 2, 3, add placeholder zeros. So our answer is going to be 22,000. Okay, over here on number 6, we have 135,000 milligrams to kilograms. So we have milligrams to kilograms. So we're going to go left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So start right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decimal point right there. And always, if you see a decimal point looking like this, always put a 0 here so everybody understands that you have a decimal right there that they need to pay attention to. Okay, number 7. One highlighter has a mass of 11 grams. Another highlighter has a mass of 10,800 milligrams. Which highlighter has the greatest mass? Well, to compare, we have to convert them both to the smallest. So here's our King Henry died grumpily, because we're talking about grams, drinking chocolate milk. So we have 11 grams, and then we have 10,800 milligrams. So we have milligrams right here and grams. Let's convert them both to milligrams because milligrams is the smallest unit. So on this 11 grams, I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3. So if I did that, erase that gram right there, comma, or no, right there's my decimal. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Add some placeholder zeros there, and then I could see 11,000 is more than 10,800. So my little greater than sign is going to go that way. So I'm going to say the 11 gram highlighter is the greatest. Brain builders, be precise. One computer has a mass of 0.8 kilogram, and the other one has a mass of 800 grams. Compare the masses of the computers. All right, we can do that. So we have 0.8 kilogram. We're going to compare to 800 grams. King Henry died grumpily drinking chocolate milk. You're going to be able to repeat that in your sleep. So let's convert them both to the smallest unit because that's the easiest one to measure, where it's grams, and we've got kilograms. So we're going to convert the kilograms to grams because it's a big boy and we need to convert it to the little guy. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to have this go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to have 8 with 2 placeholder zeros. So it's going to look like that, grams. We're going to compare it to 800 grams. So what do you see? Yeah, they're equal. So all you have to do is show this work right here and put a little smiley face showing that you know that they are equal. And that is your explanation. Number 9, which of the following is not, that pesky little word, a common unit of measurement in the metric system? Okay. Well, we definitely have a gram, we have a milligram, and a kilogram, but an ounce is customary, so ounce does not belong. It's a customary unit. Which operation is necessary to convert a large to a small? So a horse to a fly. Horse to fly, multiply. Number 11, for a science experiment, Noel is using 2 pieces of metal. One has a mass of 3,000 grams, and the other one has a mass of 500 grams. What is the combined mass of the metals in kilograms? Okay, a couple of things we have to do. We have to add, because combined means adding, and then we got to convert it to kilograms. Okay, so let's go over here. We have 3,000 grams plus 500. So that's going to be 3,500. Now we got to convert this to kilograms. So King Henry died grumpily drinking chocolate milk. So it currently is in grams, and we need to convert it to kilograms. So we're going to go left, 1, 2, 3. Left, 1, 2, 3. 3.5 kilograms. Do you guys see that somewhere? Yep, good job. All right, rip it out and turn it in.